Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi. How are you doing? I'm doing splendid. Welcome to another beautiful day. So today it's gonna be a very quick video. I want to show you guys a beautiful gift I got from Hobby because I reached my 4K hours. So I was contemplating on investing on a good camera, but budget was a big thing for me. But anyway, I'm like, okay, if I could just get anyone good for now, then later on I buy my. But anyway, long story short, my hubby decided to buy me Canon EOS M50. I'm not very good with camera. I don't really know much about them because what I had before was a low quality camera. Sometimes I just go ahead and use my phone because my phone seems to be higher in quality than the camera I had. Then I bought another one again that was just trash. So now I have a Canon. I'm gonna unbox it and we're gonna see together. Let's unbox together and see what they have in it. I bought it from Amazon. I could put the link, or if you type Amazon, of course. And in this camera, I'm gonna read everything it says it has. It said it's a Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera with 15 by 45 millimeter. It's a black color that I chose. They have two colors. They have grayish and then they have black, but I chose black when he was asking me to choose. Then it has a tripod. Yay! It has a hand strap and a couple of things. It has I think it has SD card. They put 232 gig SD card and what other things I don't really know. But let's unbox this so we could know. The cost was like for $5.99. It has free shipping, but if you have Prime, it comes faster than their free shipping. So let's unbox this camera. At least let me have a video with good quality for once, to help you people watch me properly. So let's do this. Where is my scissors? Oh, and the only thing I noticed, the box came, I really didn't know what it was. I was wondering what it was because I was expecting to see a box that has the picture of it, what it was there. But hey, this is what I got, just a plain box. But that's fine. What we want is what is inside the box. That's what we want. Oh, is my tripod falling off? Let's see here. Alright, so let's see what they have here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. The EOS M50. Can you see that? Wow. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have a carry-on case for that. And guys, look. This is definitely the tripod. Oh, look at that. Silver color. The tripod I have is just plain black. It even has a fancy bag. Now I could carry it when I'm vlogging, probably traveling or something. Wow. Oh, look at that. This is the knot. Yep. You see that? And this is the screw where you could put your camera. Nice. And it has an extendable lens, look at that, look at that. Nice. What else do we have here? What is this? It says it has microfiber cleaning cloth, 5-piece cotton swabs, lens cleaning fluid, 3 universal screen protector, mini tabletop tripod, 6 slots memory card case, limited lifetime warranty. Look at that. That's a tabletop. I actually have one of that, so good. Now I get to have 2. What next? Huh, what is this? What is this? Oh, this is the strap. You see that? That's the strap for the camera. Nice. What else? What else do we have? What is this? Do I know what this is? This is kind of a pen. I wonder what the pen is for though. I have to figure it out. But it says L pen. Sure. I don't know. And this is the, oh, I used to use Transcend a long time ago. It's a very good SD card. I wish it was 64 or 120. But anyway, at least it's something. What else do we have? Uh-oh, is it finished? And, oh, what is the, okay, this is just the handle for the camera where, you know, you can hold it in your hand and swing, but not swing too high anyway. So basically, these are all the things in the box. So now, let's open the main thing. Oh, I need to put this where you guys can see it. Let me put it where you can see it. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is your own kind of your record. I think for warranty. You keep this for yourself, proof of record in case of claim. Wow, this is a whole booklet of manual. Oh my God. They have both English and whatever language is in there. This is for you to register your product, which I'm definitely gonna do. I love to register. This is also a strap. Wow, I have two straps. I have two straps already. And this is supposed to be the charger. Let me open it. Gently open it. I'm excited. Don't fall out. Wait. Look at that. So you get to put your battery in here and charge it. What is this? Oh, this is a lens. Yeah. You know one good thing with this that I know, I don't know much about camera, but the fact that I'm able to change, you know, switch lenses. That's really nice. I was actually gonna buy the G7, GX7, or what do they call it? But he surprised me with this. This is the lens. You see that? And they have a cover for it. And they also have a screen protector for it. Ooh, look at that. Look at, no wonder they say, what do they call it? 15 by 44. And I don't want to lose nothing here. What else do, oh my God, do we have two lenses or what? What? Yay! Uh-oh, I actually have two lenses. Guys, look. Guys, I mean, you should invest in this. This looks like it's gonna be it for me. I hope to use this for a very, very long time. What is this one? Oh, I got extra battery, which is nice because I know that their batteries are kind of almost $30. And that is definitely not funny. Okay. Wow, this is really tiny for a huge box like this. Tiny, little, powerful thing. This is the camera. How do we open this? I really have to read the manual and... let's see. I'm not really good with camera, but you know what? We're going to figure this out. Nice. Look at the buttons. There is a power button. The shorter. I don't know what they call this, but some kind of button. The EOS. Yay. And the box is empty. Wow. That is so nice, guys. This is the lens cover. See that? That's beautiful. It's good to have nice stuff. I am glad. I am happy for this. Somebody say thank you to my hubby for me, because he did me good by this. And I hope I use it well. What is this one? Let's see. Okay, here is where you put the battery. put the battery in here. There's no battery. Actually, it came with one battery. I might have to buy one extra. I thought you had two, but anyway, that's fine. And this is where you put that little strappy thing that I showed you guys before. You know, that's where you put it. Oh, I'm so excited. Now I have to relax and read it to understand how to use it. I am not a tech person. My second son and my husband kind of helps me with all this techie thing. I just video and edit. Apart from that, you know. So I'm gonna use this weekend to go through this. I'm not even packing it well, but you know, I still have to look at it because I'm excited. Wow, guys, I am so excited. Are you happy for me? I'm happy for me. So now I don't have to be using my phone all the time. My phone is good though. I have a very good phone. But, you know, now I have a camera and I can afford to sit down and have a sit-down video. Woo! With nobody videoing me because everything is on point. So guys, check it out on Amazon.com. You can even check it out on Canon, but I think Amazon has a lot of bundle deals. If you, like today I went to the store, I saw it in the store. It was a little cheaper, like 400 and change, but it was just the camera and the SD card. But you see, this is $5.99, but it came with other stuff that, you know, that is really useful for me. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me in unboxing my brand new Canon EOS M50. Woo! Thank you guys. If you see my face for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I have a lot of goodies in store for you. Let's be family. Like the video, share the video, and if you know a technique or what you're gonna advise me on this camera, please do that on the comment box below. I am willing to learn from you and you and you. Thank you once again. Watch other videos. It's bye from Ogonwadi. Please stay safe, stay blessed, keep watching. Bye.